Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Slightly later than advertised today due to a few personal issues with myself, struggling with what's going on here with the war right now. It's getting increasingly difficult for me. I am struggling with it, I'll be honest with you and tell you that, but I'm doing my best. Okay, let's get straight back into the trades. It's a bizarre world we live in right now, and I've just noticed the markets are moving up. That's some positivity this morning, and that's what we've got to focus on. Look at that. We're up 1.7233 this morning. That's got to be something. That's something to be celebrated, surely. Something to be happy about, surely. So there we go. Let's look at it. The pre-market is up. Let's get straight into the trades and have a look at where we are this morning. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the show. Let me just fix the resolution there on TikTok. There we go. That's much better. Welcome, everybody. Lovely to have you here. Let's get straight into the trades. Who's with me today? We started a little bit later today. Like I said, a few issues. I've got a few personal things I'm dealing with in my mind over what's going on. The Queen, is your channel up? I don't know if you're talking to me. Muzanella, you know I only swing and day trade in this account. Yeah, Muzanella's channel, if you're talking about that, will be released soon, and we'll be promoting it, of course, here on the Day Trader. Queen, Aya Bill, Martin Redding is here. Very soon, just a couple more tweaks. Talking to Moo, great. Good stuff. Yeah, we're looking forward to promoting that for Moo. It's going to be absolutely great. And there we go. Really excited about bringing that to you. Okay. Let's have a look at the market, see where we are this morning. Things are positive at the moment. Slightly up. That's really nice to see. Let's have a quick look at all the stocks. Here he is, the one and definitely the only Martyn Rocket Lucas. That's cool. Thank you ever so much, Sam. Appreciate that very much indeed. Lovely to have you here. Welcome to all the family. All right, let's go across the portfolio. Let's have a look. Root is 142. That's up this morning. SoFi is up 177 this morning. Nvidia is up 0.83. VU is up 0.55. Still down over 0.5% overall. Tesla up 0.67. 771. I've got an average now of 809. Pretty low now, but I can't really buy any more. Rivian is up today 1.31. I've got plenty of shares there, not looking there. 691 up 1.77 this morning. Average is 757. Again, the same thing. Don't really want to buy any more there. Amazon is also up this morning. I'm up overall on that one. Twitter is up 0.21. Nvidia is up 0.8. The overall market now, I'm up $579 at 1.76%. Palantir is up 0.48. Just over 1% on Facebook. Google this morning, Gores Guggenheim up 0.95. Lucid is up 0.7. Robinhood is up 0.13. Down to 1076 right now. Extreme lows with Robinhood. Palantir, 2.22. PayPal, 1.68. Everything's pretty much up. It's a good green day today. If you've taken advantage of all these dips, you might have made some money this morning. Google is up as well. Still down 2.5%. Coca-Cola is up 0.48. What about crypto this morning? It's down again. I'm out of crypto, as you know. Fully out of crypto. Let me just fix the resolution there over on TikTok. Yeah, I'm completely out of my crypto. I've sold it all. Bottom has fallen out of the cryptocurrency. Yeah, I've sold all my Bitcoin, sold all my crypto. I'm no longer a fan of it. It's proving not to be as successful as we thought it would. It should actually now be doing well, and it's not. So I've sold it all, despite a lot of YouTubers telling us it's about to hit some magical number again. Of course, the same guys with a lot invested in it. I've had money in it, and I've sold it. I've taken a loss on Ethereum, took a $700 loss. Right, so the markets are now pushing up now. We're at 1.82. Really firing off this morning. Let's have a look. Sam says, I think you and me should do a show here in the UK. Billy Joel and Elton John, and we can stream it on your YouTube channel. Sounds a good idea. Want to come to the UK? We'll have a conversation, Sam. Very nice idea. Tesla touched 776 earlier when the news came out. 776. Let's go. Let's have a look. 776. Tesla have put their prices up. You could say that's good and bad. It's got both sides of the tail. That's how you see it. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Hey, I've just noticed. No one said anything. No one said anything. What are we missing? Missing the ticker. There it is. It's like, and I looked at it and thought, something's not quite right this morning. Something's missing. But it's back again now. There you go. It just feels right now. You get used to certain layouts, and then when things change, it's like, what's going on? So Tesla is up 0.78. 772. Let's have a look. Shall I buy one more? Shall I buy one more just to round it off to 10? I'm going to buy one more to round it off to 10. 772. Buy a Tesla. Shares. Got to do a limit order, of course, because it's pre-market. Let's go 773. 773. Allow. Review order. Let's get one more in. Let's buy another one. There we go. Should have got that one in. Let's have a look. Let's refresh the screen. Ah, there we go. I think it's just gone. I just missed it. I missed it by a second. I think it's placed. Let me cancel that. Cancel that. Buy a Tesla. Buy a Tesla. Limit order. Let's try again. 775. Just get it in. I'm trying to get it in as fast as I can. It's going up as I do it. Review order 1. Buy 775. Order place purchase. There we go. Has that gone through now? Let's see. Let's see if we can get. There we go. There it is. 775. I'll lower my average to 805 now. There we go. I've got 10. And what did I pay for it? I just paid 774. There we go. Okay. I got a round number of 10. I've no idea I did that. I just felt like doing something positive this morning. So I am the crypto queen. Crypto queen. Show everyone how strong our alliances are. Yes, I'm out of crypto, but soon I'll just buy 1,000 worth of XRP and park it in a couple of years. Yeah, I'm completely out of crypto as well, because at the end of the day, the reason why we bought crypto was for all the reasons that exist today. You know, interest rates, inflation, hedging against inflation, corruption, fears of a war, things like what we're experiencing now with the situation over there in Ukraine, and yet it's not doing anything. It's not doing anything, and it just to me seems that we've been let down by it, and I just feel right now my money is better invested elsewhere. So it's not I don't believe in Bitcoin anymore. I've made money from it, but I'm out of it now. I believe more in stocks that actually build things. I don't see crypto has the strength that it used to have. So there we go. Good morning to you. Hello, how are you doing? I can't hear you, but you can hear me. You've just clicked. What are you doing there? Accept it. I'm accepting it. There it is. Oh, we're having a competition. Oh, we've got a competition. Right, folks, look at this. You're on YouTube. Just watch the screen behind me. Guys, we've got a competition right now. Look, someone is challenging me on TikTok. Someone is challenging me on TikTok. Let me just go into it right now. Hang on. Bring it up. Hang on. We haven't started yet. Here we go. All right, guys, come and help me now. We're having a little challenge on TikTok. Are you ready? Someone has just challenged me. Some young lady somewhere in the world has just challenged me. Are you ready? Let's have a competition right now. I need everyone on TikTok to help me. A bit of fun. We're having a boxing match. You see it here? Right. And I'm losing. What I need all my TikTok fans to come and join me because I'm losing the battle right now. And I'm catching up. I'm catching up. Can you see you're on YouTube behind me? This is YouTube. You're on YouTube right now. So everybody come and help me out. We're playing a little game here right now. And it's 6 to 10. I'm catching up. Let me close that a minute so you can't quite see it. The day trader. I don't know why it's not showing up. Why is it not showing up? Why am I not seeing the little battle zone? It's 7 to 10. I'm catching up. I need all my people on TikTok banging away for me. We've got a little game going on, and I don't know why you can't see it. I can't see it on the screen, but let's see. It's 7 to 10 now. I'm catching up. We've got, it doesn't say, 3 minutes left. So come and join me on TikTok. If you've not got TikTok right now, let me give you the link. It's hard to do this because I'm tapping on the screen while I'm trying to give you the link. If you've not got the link already, why not? Hang on. Let me give everyone the link. Here we go. TikTok, Martyn Lucas. Here it is. Here it is. Wow, this is hard to do when you're tapping the screen. Is that TikTok? Here it is. There you go. Okay. It's 10-all now with 2.5 minutes to go. I'm catching up. The markets are up. Tesla is about to go over 776. I've just bought more. We are now, it is 10 plays 10. We got 2 minutes, 20 seconds to go. All my TikTokers join in. With all my TikTokers join in. I've got, what is it now? 10 versus 10, 2 minutes to go. And I'm in a boxing challenge right now. Come on, guys, help me out. 13:10, 1 minute 54. I've just gone slightly ahead. Come on, Sam, help me out. Who's joining me right now? I've got a couple of people joining me. It's 13 plays 10, 1 minute 40. And the markets are going up as well. As we do this, the markets are going up. It's very, very exciting. Live here on the Day Trader, I'm being challenged to a battle by a young lady here from somewhere in the world. I've no idea where. It is now 16 to me, 10. We've got 1 minute 13 to go. It's all systems go. Can you guys see who's winning or losing? For some reason, I can't see it on my screen, but I can see it on her screen. It's really kind of strange that it's not showing here, but you guys might be able to see it. 50 seconds to go. Oh, it's a dead heat. 16-16. Go, 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 go as fast as you can. Everybody now, quick as you can. We've got 40 seconds to go. It's 16 plays 16. I need everyone to join in on TikTok for me. It's 30 seconds to go. It's a dead heat. 16 plays 16. Go, 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 go. It's a dead heat. 20 seconds to go. 16-16. It's going to be a draw. And one of us is going to get one more point. Who's it going to be? 17 seconds to go. 16, 15, 14. 10, 9. It's 16-16. I can't believe it. It's a dead heat. 3, 2, 1. It's a draw. I think it's a draw. There we go. Moo. Nice one. Fantastic. Love it. Very, very good. Enjoyed that. Cool stuff. All right, let's get back to the trades. Thank you very much indeed. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That was a lot of fun, wasn't it? Absolutely madness. No idea who that lady was, but that was a lot of fun. Do enjoy those. Woo! She's a tough cookie. She might win. It was a dead draw. Morning all. Let's bring everybody in here this morning. We've got 15 minutes to go. Morning all. There we go. Dr. Smith's here. Moose. She's a tough cookie. She might win. It was a dead draw. Good job. Who was helping me? I think Beetle Sean was in. I think the Beetle Sean was in. I got a new. I think Beetle Sean was in. Wow. Back to business. yeah, I know. Back to business. Right. 33, 1.86. Let's have a look. Me, thanks Vapors. Vapors was helping me out. I think Beetle Sean was as well. So we won the first challenge we were given the other day. I was hitting the likes on TikTok. Yeah, Beetle Sean thought so. Wow, guys, well done. You kept us from losing. You made Ukrainian proud, but then again, you did that just by being you. Right, let's have a look at Tesla now. It's rising. I've just bought more. I've got now 10, 774. Right, we got just 12 minutes to go before the market opens. I could not see the score either. Yeah, it was weird. I could see it on my account, but not my other account. That was fun. It was fun. Could you see the score moves? I could see it on her phone. I could see it on my actual account, but I couldn't see it on the account we were playing along with. Anyway, it's frustrating. Anyway, welcome everyone on TikTok. We're here on YouTube right now. The markets are just 12 minutes to go, and nice to see things better on the stock market than yesterday. Well, so far they are. I'm at 1.72, just edging back slightly. No, you couldn't see it either. Yeah, it was frustrating, right? SoFi is up 1. Nvidia is up 1.17. Still down, though. Still down 10%. Vanguard is up 0.61. I'm moving more and more of my money into that. Tesla is 1.15. Has your time zone changed? No. What do you mean? Has your time zone changed? Oh, yes, it has. Yes. Yes, it has. Yes, it has. It's gone forward an hour. I definitely couldn't see, but you're both winners in my eyes. Look at him. Look at him. Rivian's up 1.7. SPCE is up 1.818. Sorry. Let's make some money. My goal today is 2,300. It's 1 hour earlier. Yes. I guess it is until the UK goes to summertime, but we've already done it here. When do you go forward? When do you go? That explains why it's quiet. The last couple of days I've gone. I wondered why it was so quiet. That explains it. That explains why the last few days have been quiet. I've been thinking, why is it quiet? So in the UK, when do you go forward? 31st of March. All right. So you need to remember that then for the next week or so. All right. Everything's firing up this morning. Lucid up 1.2. Palantir, Robinhood, Palantir 1.82. Right. I'm 33,426. I wonder where you was last night. There you go. Now we're all getting it now. Right, 10 minutes to go. Nvidia. I want to ask how everybody is today, because I've been really struggling with everybody's, I guess, selfishness. Well, and we're all guilty of it, selfishness of the war situation. It's been really, really upsetting. Is everybody else feeling the same? With so many contradictions in my mind, I've been struggling over the last few days. I don't mind telling you. Thanks for the follows over there on TikTok. Thank you ever so much indeed. What's going on here? We're trading on YouTube. I'm the Day Trader. This is our Day Trader show on YouTube. Come and join us if you like. We've sold all our Bitcoin. We've sold all our crypto. And we're dealing more now in the S&P 500 top shares. Tesla, Nvidia, SoFi, Root right now. And the overall portfolio is at 1.81. How do the people feel about the Queen? How do people feel about the Queen? I feel very sad. She's had a great life, but we all come to an end at some point. It's going to be incredible to suddenly say, God save the King. That's going to happen very soon, I would imagine. Yeah, I've been really struggling with the war. Nicholas Morello, by the way, if Nicholas Morello comes in, I want the biggest love for Nicholas Morello. Yesterday, I put out an appeal. If anybody wants to help me reach those people in the Ukraine. Did any of you see the video when people were in a bomb shelter being bombed and they came live into my show? Did anybody see that? If you didn't see it, I want to share the link with you right now. And I put an appeal out because the only way I get to those people is doing YouTube ads because my audience is not in Ukraine. So I do YouTube ads and people have been, well, I say people, I've been paying for it myself. $400 I put into YouTube ads so I could reach the people in Ukraine. I get nothing out of it, guys. I earn nothing from it. I just do it. Because I want to reach people, right? And I'll never make any money from it. It's not for me at all. It's just me playing my part. And I can't reach people in Ukraine because my audience isn't from Ukraine, right? So I've been doing ads. Well, yesterday I put an appeal out. If anybody wants to contribute, if anybody likes the idea of me doing my daily concerts to Ukraine, then you can donate. And yesterday, one of our day traders, Nicholas Morello, he actually did that. He sent in $100 via PayPal, which is going to pay for about 10,000 Ukrainians to hear it. If you didn't see it, I'll show you it now. This is the link. This is the moment people called in. I'm going to give you the link right now. If you didn't see it, here it is. Here's the video. If you didn't see it, there's a link in the chat. I've just given you the link now. So it's just something if you want to do, if you like that idea, there it is. Right, we got 6 minutes to go. 6 minutes to go, and we are now up 1.78, 33.4. Let's look what's doing it. It's just basically everything, guys. You've got to understand right now that it doesn't really matter what stock you buy, you lose. It doesn't matter what stock you buy, you win. Everything's now up. This is all war related. Now we've got the inflation situation as well. The only thing that isn't performing is Bitcoin and is crypto. That isn't doing anything. It's like it's hit its top and nothing's happening. And maybe I'm wrong. One day it'll explode and become $1 million. I don't know. But right now I don't see anything there to show us any indication that'll ever happen. I don't. That's a funny comment. Not going to read that out. Enam and Kelly 53. I think Eamir Kelly. Don't really understand what that means. William Karam. William Karam, yes. William Karan yesterday. I want to thank William Karan, everybody. William Karan. Let me go into my notes here. I was blown away. Sorry, I didn't actually mean Nicholas Morello. That was a mistake. I meant you, William. Sorry, I didn't mean Nicholas Morello. I apologise. I got the names confused. It was William Karam. William Karam yesterday sent me $100 tip. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. Look, I want to share with you. This blew me away yesterday. I was like, I couldn't believe it. Look, William Karam sent $100 yesterday. Now, what I'm doing with that $100 is it's going on YouTube ads, which I'm doing myself. So there's no middleman. I don't use Sprizzy. I use Google directly. And I'm paying for Google ads. And that's how those videos get seen by those people in Ukraine. Okay? That's how it works. It's incredible. Incredible. And then if you watch the video, I'll just bring it up quickly. I've just given you the link. Look, this actually happened live on the show. I'll bring it up and you can see it. Look at this. This is what William's This is what William is basically paying for. All right? Because my audience is not in the Ukraine. They're in the US. But look, during my show, I am not the only one listening to you, Martyn. I listen you with all my neighbours, 58 people with their pets, cats and dogs, sitting in a bomb shelter. Thanks to Elon Musk and his Starlink, we have uninterrupted internet, even in our bomb shelter. Thank you from all of us. See that? Incredible. That was a live moment during the show. So the only way I can get to those people is do YouTube ads. And I target literally Ukraine. Literally. Nowhere else. And as I say, it's not for my benefit. I'll never earn any money. It's not about anything for me. It's just about reaching people. And I've invested $400. Yeah, I was in tears. That's why I made that video. We've got 2.5 minutes to go, and that's why I've been struggling. Yesterday I was really struggling. Wow, Tesla's firing off now. I've got 10 shares of it now. I'm down 4%. That's why I was really struggling yesterday. I thought, wow, this is really intense. Can you imagine those people shaking with fear as bombs are raining down, listening to me sing REM, Everybody Hurts? I mean, that's the reality of it. And I want to show you exactly where William Carom's money has gone. So here is my Google ads. On this video so far, it's taken $10. It's reached 4,000 people. Look, see that? Look. There's a $100 budget on that. This is William Carom. See it? Budget. $100. Can you see it? This is William's money. $10 so far been spent. It'll go all the way to 100. 4,000 people have seen it. See it? And if you scroll over here, look at this. This will blow your mind. Look, Ukraine. 160. Look. 341 people in the center of Kiev. Look at that. Most people have seen it in Lviv on the west. 716. Look at that. Doesn't that blow your mind? That's what your $100 has done. And it will continue to reach thousands of people. That's what I'm doing with that money. Okay? It's going directly to put in that music and those messages and our messages directly to those people as they are being bombed. As they are being blown to pieces, they are hearing me sing Over the Rainbow. And that's why I was upset yesterday. I really struggled with it. Okay? Over on TikTok, welcome. Thanks for the follows. Appreciate everything from you this morning. So that's why I started the show late this morning. I was struggling with all of this. Right, here we go. The bell's about to go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We're off. The markets are now open. What are we going to do? So there you go. If you want to be part of that, keep up the great work. William, I was blown away when you sent me that money. I couldn't believe it. $100. As I say, your budget is there, it's spent, it's there. It's delivering my music to thousands of people. $10 has already reached 4,500, so it'll touch probably 40,000 people. Anyway, deepen the money. We need an a cappella bit. What do you mean? What do you mean? Thank you very much. So if anybody wants to support that, it's martyn@martynlucas.com. That's my PayPal account, and I will put all the funds to do that. And I'll show you on the screen. You can see I've done it. All right. Anyway, I don't want to keep going on about it. I don't want to be the guy who asks for money for charity. I just wanted to let you know because I know some of you wondered what was going on. Right. That's why I was late today. Right, 1.77. We need an a cappella bit. What do you mean? You did amazing. How nice to get that message. Yeah, well, it was, but it made me very, very depressed all day yesterday. It was nice, but it was also a struggle all day yesterday to kind of deal with it. Right, Okay, here we go. Here is very quickly now. The markets are up and we're moving. Let's have a quick word from our sponsors. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. There we go. All right, we're back again now. Here we go. 33,42382. I apologize. We're firing up now. 1.82. The overall portfolio is moving up. Root is Root is up as well. SoFi is moving up. Nvidia is moving up. VU is moving up 0.9. That's very good. Just about to break even on VU. Tesla is a part of VU, by the way. That is on 780. 1.86. Now, could anyone explain to me why this has been good for the stock? Tesla is now flying up. Thank you for the rose, Mr. Relax, I think it is. Why would the stock rise this morning? Because Tesla has put prices up. Would someone explain that to me? I guess it's good for the shareholder, but not the customer. But then what's good for the customer should be good for the shareholder, right? You'd think. Is it good to put the prices up for the car? It's a very expensive car, you know. But I guess the competition's more expensive. I guess. I don't know. I'm not so sure. That's why I don't have to be the CEO of Tesla and make decisions like that. But we're down 3% at the moment. Let's watch it grow. 2%. I'm down 3%. Let's see if I can get some money out of Tesla today. I'm not going to sell it. I like owning it. Rivian is moving up. Virgin Galactic up 3% today. That's more like it. I haven't bought any more. I'm not investing any more money right now. I'm fully invested. Root is doing well. SoFi is doing well. Nvidia is doing well. VU is doing well. The overall portfolio look is up nearly 3%, 33.7. Let's have a look at that in the week. Let's get some context. You see, we're still down over the week, so you've got to get some context for that as well. Yeah, in the live chat, would everyone tell me, why do you think it's good for Tesla shares for it to go up? What does everybody think? I don't know why that is. I'm not really sure why that would be a good thing anyway. Opinion on XRP. I've sold out of all my crypto. I no longer hold it. Baba, no, I'm not into Chinese stocks. Wouldn't put any money into Chinese stocks at all because of their connection to Russia. I'm sorry, I wouldn't put any money into China. Just a principle thing. Just a matter of principle. I can't do it. Don't want to do it. Oh, here comes a nice cup. Is that a cup of coffee? Oh, lovely. Thank you very much, Leah. Aren't you supposed to be at work? Are you? Yeah, Leah's at work making me a cup of coffee. Awesome stuff. Right, we're up nearly 3%. Not quite, 2.7. And I want to know what everybody thinks about that. Why do you think Tesla shares have risen today on the news? They've put their prices up. Mainly for inflationary reasons, but it shows an increase in demand with rising gas prices. It shows an increase in demand. Okay. So you think they've put the price up because they got too many orders for the amount of cars they can get out, right? Increase in demand, supply and demand makes sense. Makes sense. That's obviously a good sign then, right? It was more fun watching you drink whiskey, not coffee. That's once a year. That's once a year. Keep up the great work, William. Massive thanks to William Karam. I can't believe that. I was really quite touched by that. I was like, bloody hell. Because you think everyone's selfish, right? You think everybody's in it for themselves, and then you get an email with someone who wants to spend $100 to promote my music to Ukrainian people in bomb shelters. It's like, that blows your mind, doesn't it? Rivian is going down today. I'm down 11%. Now, remember, I made money on Rivian. So I've got a low average, 39. But I'm not going to buy any more. I'm going to hold that now until it makes money. Virgin Galactic is up 2.65 today. Again, the same thing. I'm not trading at the moment. I'm waiting for the stocks to improve before I start trading again. I'm not really in that position. Mentally, I'm not in that position either. I don't feel quite right. That's why our numbers are low, because a lot of people aren't joining the show. They don't realise that the clocks have changed. So subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. Give us a thumbs up. It's why everyone's joining late right now. I remember this for next year. It does seem to affect my numbers because people get used to a certain time. We've got 14 likes. Yeah, it's very quiet. We've had it now since the clocks went forward. Yeah. Over there on TikTok, how are you all to do today? I'm so happy that he is helping. Yeah, it's incredible, right? Someone just thanked William Caron on TikTok. It was a guy called ADZAC47. Tesla stocks are directly proportional to Elon Musk's tweets. That's true. Bit like Bitcoin then. Right. Unfortunately, we're just dropping back again now. 1.21. Talking about Bitcoin. Let's have a look. No, it's down today. Ethereum is also down today. Yeah. I wouldn't buy a Bitcoin again now until it goes under 30. To be honest. But we'll see. We'll see if that sentiment changes. Coca-Cola is up 1.1. Remember, Coca-Cola, you also get dividends. And what I've been doing right now, because the stocks are so low, is I have been reinvesting all my dividend stocks. I'm very excited because I soon will get some dividend stocks from VU. VU will pay dividend stocks. I think it's once a month. We'll find out. I am making a promise to myself to buy a Tesla car one day. Local road has been closed because a gravedigger found a grenade. Local road has been closed because a gravedigger found a grenade. What local road? Alex, is that down your street? Local road has been closed because a gravedigger found a grenade. Bomb squad in it. What is that? Is that your house in Milton Keynes? Is that what you're saying? Bloody hell. Is that what you're saying? Deep in the money, he's going to buy himself a Tesla car one day. Very, very nice. Right. Sadly, we are dropping back now, though. Let's see if we can hold up and get a bounce again. But we're still at 1%. $300. It's a green day. Whilst digging a hole. Yeah, Bletchley, Milton Keynes. Wow, look at that. There we go. Just down the road from where Alex is this morning. Right, Alex is here this morning, which means he's one of our sponsors. Yes, he is. So we want to promote our sponsors now. Alex Hunt is Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Now, we want to thank Alex for being a member here of the Day Trader, a regular, but he's also one of our sponsors, and it's our sponsors and our members who actually keep the channel going. So it's a huge shout out and a thanks to them. So I want to show you now Nudge It, Budgets, Move It website and introduce you to Alex. He's one of our sponsors, and if you want a website built, you can't do better than Alex, because the most important thing for a website is to be able to talk to the creator regularly, get updates. Well, Alex is in our stream every day. So you're actually looking at the guy who does it, and he's created a great 404 page. If you don't know what a 404 page is, 404 page is if you get the address wrong after nudgeitbudgetmoveit.com. Now look, see me in space. Can you see in the mask? Look, that's me. This is the 404 page on Nudge It, Budget, Move It. I've got my Melinda sauce because they're one of our sponsors. Can you see it's me in the mask? But look, here comes my Tesla and Virgin Galactic. Woo, woo, there it is. All right, that's the 404 page over there on Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Let me give everyone the link right now. If you want a website built for any budget, he'll fix anyone's website for any budget you like. Whatever budget you've got, he will fit it to that. But also, it does a money back guarantee. A money back guarantee. So if you're not absolutely delighted, he will keep going until you are. And if he can't satisfy you, he will give you your money back. I mean, you can't get better than that. Absolutely great. It's a very interactive website. Their website. You see how everything moves and stuff like that. It's very, very cool. And this guy knows what he's doing. He delivers excellence. He prides himself on getting back to you pretty much immediately. You can't get better than that. So nudge it, budget, move it. If you want a website and you want to be able to talk to your designer, go and have a chat with Alex. He's in the chat right now. And send him a message below the videos or through his website. There we go. The link's in the chat. Thank you, Alex, for being a continued sponsor to our channel. Mark Corn is here. What does America change time zone on? What does America change the time zone on a different date? Why does it? I've no idea why it does it. Anyone familiar with Margravine Road in West Kensington? No, I'm not. I've been to West Kensington when the do you remember the Iranian embassy? Do you remember when we had the SAS went in? Remember that? I was there when that happened. I was on a school trip. I was on a bus on a school trip at the end of the road. Always remember that. Right. Unfortunately, to report to you guys, we are down again today. Everything came up and then sold off. People took profit and then got out again. That's very frustrating. Vanguard is holding up, but Tesla took a wallop again. There you go. It's down again. We had a positive reaction to the news and then a sell-off again. Oh, dear, oh dear. Don't know how to make money today. Anyway, there you go. It is what it is. Don't you hate that? If you become a member live on the show, this is what happens. And if you become a subscriber, this is what happens. And if you do a super chat, because you want a song. Who was it who said they wanted a song earlier? Someone said they wanted a... what was it? Let me have a look. Let's have a look. Who was it who said that? Speechless, touch. Someone said they wanted some music. I can't see who it was now. Oh, here's Dan. I've been shorting China stocks from yesterday, making profits. Good morning, by the way. Good morning, Dan. Let's put Dan on the screen. Tesla's going down again. I bought more this morning on the dip, but it's going down again. Difficult right now, I've got to be honest. But I love what Tesla does, so I'm going to stay there. Not a problem for me to own more Tesla at these prices, so I'll continue to buy the dips until I can buy no more. Right, over there on TikTok, thank you for the follow. Thanks for the share, by the way. Is that Illy? Thank you very much for sharing the video. That's very, very kind of you. Can you scroll back and look at my question? 12 bus driver. What was your question? I'm scrolling up. I see today some senators in the US are lumping big amounts into PayPal. Do you have any info? Right, let me share with you my PayPal. PayPal is up 2% today. I believe in PayPal. Totally. It's one of my stocks. In fact, it's 5% of my portfolio. You can see it on the screen there. So I believe in it. I think it's a great company. It's been oversold. I think it's worth a lot more than it's currently going for right now. I've got $3,500 in it right now, but actually that will rise very quickly to $5,000. It's currently 5%, which could go up to 10% quite quickly because we're down 15% at the moment. And yeah, that's as much as I can tell you about PayPal, but I'm invested in it with my real money, so I believe in it. So I hope that answers your question, bus driver. Thanks for the follow, by the way, Tyler. Oh, it's deep in the money. Deep in the money. What was you asking for? Well, you know the rules at Deep in the Money. If you want me to do a song in the show, I will. But you have to give me a super chat. And you know why? Because every video approximately, every day I earn about $10 on YouTube. So it's about, at the moment, it's about $5 a video. Okay, so someone tips me for a song. I'll do a song of your request during the show. But what I will do is I do it for a super chat. So in other words, I lose the money because the video gets copyright flagged, but I make it on a super chat. So that's what I do. So if you want a request, you can always have a request. You do a super chat and I'll sing your request. But that's how I do it. And that's why I asked for a super chat tip, because otherwise I would lose money. That covers what I lose. That makes sense? I hope that makes sense. All right. Okay, now we're getting a bit of a rebound. It all sold off, and now we're down 1.69. Good morning, Dave Mottram is here. Good morning, Ali. There we go. We've got a nice little crowd now. I have to say, guys, I want to ask everybody, how is everybody feeling? I have, since yesterday, in that video I shared with you, I hope everybody saw it. This video here with people in a bomb shelter listening to me sing REM. And that's thanks to my sponsors who pay for those YouTube ads, which get, look at that. I'm in a bomb shelter, 58 people listening to you. Thanks from all of us. All right. So here is the link to that video if you've not seen it. It's here on the Day Trader. I posted it on the Day Trader, even though it's technically not day trader material. I felt you might appreciate it. But because of that, I've been really struggling. And that's why I was late this morning. I just couldn't get my head in the right place to do trading when people are dying. But it does feel better to talk to all of you. And we are a family together, all for having a bad day on Forex. Forex, yes, is... I'm not really into Forex. I just bought another contract of Tesla. There we go. Wow, moves and is going all in on. Now, for those of you who don't know, I'm sure all of you do, a contract is 100 shares of Tesla. 100 shares. Okay? That's what he's bought. 100 shares. Hiya, Moo. How are you? Dave Mottram is here. Tesla's down 757. I've been buying the dips all the way down. Let's get some context. Over the month, it's down 16%. So actually, I'm down 10%. I've lowered my averages by 10%. I'm with you, Martin. I feel your pain. Yeah, I know you were struggling as well, Bill, right? It is horrible, isn't it, at the moment? It does make you feel bad. I am scared of Forex. It never sleeps. Yeah, that's a bit like crypto. I own 2 contracts now, trying to make $2,300 a day. Congratulations to you, Moose. Very, very good. Sent a TikTok. Mr. Ralex sent me a tip there on TikTok. Thank you ever so much indeed. Is it due to XRP becoming the new digital currency? I don't know. Let me ask my day traders here on YouTube. Guys, on YouTube, I've got someone asking a question on TikTok. Somebody wants to know why PayPal has a lot of investment right now from the government. And he is suggesting, is it due to XRP becoming the new digital currency? XRP becoming the new digital currency. Is that why PayPal is rising today? What does everybody think? I don't know the answer. I'm asking my day traders on YouTube. They're in the live chat. You can come and see them if you want to. And I'll put them, they'll answer the questions for you, I'm hoping anyway. Let's have a look. Dan, I made 12% overnight, but lost all that this morning. Yeah. I must admit, that's one of the things I don't like about crypto, the fact it trades 24/7. But what you do, and how I made my money on crypto, I'll tell you now. I made some good money on Bitcoin. What I do is I set limit orders because it goes throughout the night, right? You can't monitor it. You never sleep. You'd never have a life, right? So what I do is if it goes up 10%, it sells. If it goes down 10%, it buys. If it goes up 10%, it sells. If it goes down 10%, it buys. And I just keep doing that. And it does that automatically all day long. It keeps buying and selling, buying and selling. I'll wake up in the morning and it'll go, you just sold some Bitcoin and made $50. In the morning, you bought Bitcoin and lowered your average. It does that all the time. That's how I made my money on Bitcoin. And then don't even think about it. Just forget it. Let it do its thing. All right. We are starting to come back up again now. I'm down 0.5%. We're starting to rise. We had the sell-off. We had the opening excitement. Now let's see where we end up. SoFi is moving up. Nvidia is moving up now. VU is moving up. Everything's now moving up. I'm just down 0.5% now on VU. That's the S&P 500. Tesla, let's have a look. Tesla is now also rising again. Right? This will be good. This will be good for Mu. Rivian is down 4%, but rising. SPCE is also pushing back up again. Okay? I'm not trading today. I'm just basically at this precise moment in time, just buying dips, using my margin when really good stocks for the future drop dramatically that are still worth owning. What's the question again? What's the question? Okay, Dan wants to know what the question is again. Let me answer it. Let me do it for you right now. Is 12 bus driver. Let me scroll up. Okay, I'm looking at your question. Right, here is your question again. 12 bus driver. We got people on YouTube who want to answer it. I see this is what he says. I see today some senators in the US are lumping big amounts into PayPal. Do you have any info? That's the question. And he said, is it due to XRP becoming the new digital currency? I don't know the answer to that question. I do know that PayPal is a good investment. Otherwise, I wouldn't have put my own money into it. And then he says, what exchange do I use? Do you use any software to buy and sell when it goes up? And no, I'm using Robinhood. And the software I use is within Robinhood. I can set limit orders to buy at certain prices, sell at certain prices. In fact, sell at certain prices. That's what I should have done, and buy at certain prices. I had my hands the other way around. Yeah, buy at certain prices and sell at certain prices. Yeah, I can set limit orders using Robinhood. Where are you? Are you in the UK or the US? If you're in the US, I can give you a referral link and you get some free stocks and some free crypto. Anyone on TikTok can get free crypto from me right now. Cost you nothing at all. And some free stocks cost you nothing at all. If any of you want some free stocks, or you're in Blackpool. Ah, that's cool to know. Mister, I played at the Blackpool Grand. Check the history of the Blackpool Grand Theatre. And I did my own show there. One night in Vegas. Following Joe Longthorne, Easter Sunday, about 10 years ago. 3 years in a row. Check it out. Right, back to the shares now here on YouTube. Lucid is starting to lift up now. Lucid is now down at 20. I'm just not going to buy any more. It doesn't matter really how cheap it goes. This is temporary. I know I could make some money. Does Fed speak tomorrow? I believe so. PayPal is a good investment. I would buy at these prices. Very cheap. But going back to your question, I have no idea either. I love the honesty. So many people don't want to say I have no idea. But I like when people do. It means you're honest, right? Don't just say, yeah, and make up something. Too many people make up stuff. But I'm really glad that you said you don't know, because neither do I. Neither do I. I've no bloody idea. But I do believe it's a good investment, and I'm in, and there you go. You can see it on the screen there. There's my PayPal. I'm up 2% today. I'm 15% down. So that's where I am. Should I buy the dips today? Use more margin? No. You've got to know when to stop, right? SoFi is moving up now. Nvidia is moving up now, 1.5. Vanguard is moving up, 0.69. I'm about to make. I'm $26 down on Vanguard. Let's see if we can be in the green today. Tesla is moving up. Look at this. We're going green on Tesla now. I'm 4% down. And by the way, I didn't realize this, but Tesla is a part of VU now. It didn't used to be, and it's 1.98. 1.98, as you can see there. The biggest part of VU, by the way, is Apple. Did you realize that? Quite surprised me. There you go. Quite surprised me. But there you go. Only thing I know about PayPal is I'm down 11,000. Oh, God. Really? Bloody hell. Oh. Yeah. Right. We're positive today. Look, we're green. Don't you all like the colour green? Don't you love the colour green? I certainly do. Would everybody on TikTok do me a favour? I'm tapping the screen now here. Look, I'm tapping. My phone is just here. Right, I'm tapping the screen as fast as I can. And if everyone taps the screen right now, it puts the video onto the For You page. And suddenly people come in. So for everybody on TikTok now, just for a minute, use 2 fingers, go like that for just 1 minute. If everyone would do that right now, you'll see the numbers go up, and it'll be really great. And the purpose of that is we get lots of, oh, Mr. Relax wants to, oh, sorry, I thought he was going to come on in then. Yeah, if everyone does it for a minute, it will get the numbers up. Yeah, bought in at 213. Let me have a look. PayPal. You bought 230. You bought at 213. Oh, wow. Oh, gosh. Yeah, I've done that with Virgin Galactic. I bought that Tesla. I was buying Tesla at 1,100 shares. $1,100 a share. And anyone who says, you know, you're wrong for doing stuff like that, there's always a point when a stock is higher. And if PayPal was going up and up and up and up and up, and year after year after year after year, you would buy it in at 230. You'd buy it at 300, 400, 500. Otherwise, nobody would ever invest again, would they? There we go. People on TikTok have listened to me. A few people anyway. They've started tapping the screen. And can you see, look, now the numbers have gone up. We've got more people watching. There you go. If you tap the screen, 2 fingers for a minute, the longer you do it, the better. But there you go. It's a boss. Nathan, thank you very much. Thanks for the love. Appreciate it. Right. So there you go. You see PayPal now moving up today. I'm not buying any more dips. I'm up now 0.5%. Right. It's day trader of the day. It's at 9 o'clock Central, 10 o'clock Eastern time. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. If you're over on TikTok, give us a follow, like, tap the screen. Mr. Relax, thank you so much indeed. All right, let's do day trader of the day. Are you ready? It's our competition. It dipped from 310, so I figured that was a solid price. Mate, we've all been there. I totally get it. Totally get it. I mean, the thing is, right now, people said to me, and they've said on the show, that the markets have been over-pumped and all the rest of it when it grew here last year. But come on, guys, it's more to it than that. The reason for this decline now, you have to really understand and realise we're at the edge of a potential third world war. We've had COVID, we've got a pandemic. People could say it's in Revelations, it's the Armageddon, it's the end of the world. I mean, things right now couldn't be much worse globally. For me right now, I'm sitting here healthy and well and life's okay, right? Even though I was struggling mentally yesterday and emotionally. But realise I'm very lucky. I've got food in my belly, I've got a wife, I've got a house, I've got a home, and so on. And no one's bombing me right now, which is nice, which is convenient, right? But, you know, right now we've got a global pandemic. China today, 2 million people have been locked down again. Is that because they don't want to get into a war with Russia? Or is that true? Who knows? Side note, Mullen trying to do something right now. Should we ever look at Mullen again? I'm currently out of it. I sold it. Took my money out. Let's have a look. Mullen. It's down 3% this morning. I'm out of that now. The reason why I'm out of it is I have enough invested in EVs. And I can't be in any more. I want to thank Susan Isles over there on TikTok, banging away the screen. Look at that. Thank you very much indeed. I think that's Ali using his sister's account. There we go. I think I've got that right. Yeah, I'm out of Mullen right now, and I'm staying out of Mullen right now because I've got Tesla, I've got Rivian, I've got other stocks. So there we go. Right, we was up a little bit. We've just dropped back slightly. Oh, we were green for a moment. Robert Durant is here. Here he is. Smash the like, Robert. Smash the like, Robert. Am I the first? I think I'm going to be the first. Yes, I'm the first. Yep, my phone's broken. I thought so. How come your phone's broken, Ali? What's going on there? We got a fireman here with no phone. That's not a good thing. We got a fireman here with no phone. I hope the fire station's got a phone that works. Otherwise, people in England are in trouble right now because the fire service has got a broken phone. At least one of the firemen has. They don't phone you, do they, on your mobile? I hope they don't do that. Otherwise, you're in trouble. Oh, flipping heck. Root is going back down again. SoFi is going back down again. Nvidia is still firing up 2%. Good. VU is up 0.69. I'm still down $30. Toilet plus phone. How many people? Do you know more? This is the reality, right, of life. Majority of people watch the Day Trader and listen to my song while sat on the toilet. So if you're, or even on TikTok, who sat on the toilet right now? Let's have a little debate. Anybody on TikTok watching me now while sat on the toilet? What about over on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram? Because we're on all those places at the same time. Let me know in the chat, is anybody watching right now while sat on the toilet? All right, Ali broke his phone because he was on the toilet. Oh my dear, oh dear, oh dear. I hope it. Yeah, we don't even want to discuss the state of the phone when it fell in the toilet. Depends on the state of the toilet. Dear, oh dear, we've gone down that road. Let's get back out of that. Anyway, don't chase a stock. Remember, don't chase a stock. I know Mullen's lifting up. There we go. It's breaking out, but be careful. I'm feeding the dogs. You're feeding the dogs right now. There you go. Someone is listening to the Day Trader while feeding the dogs. So all I've got to do is go, meow, meow. That's it. That'll send the dogs crazy. 33,000. Right, we're up. I'm going to put that into the score. I'm going to go up. Up 0.85%. There's my score. Don't put your score on the screen until I give the timer. You ready? Get ready. Everybody refresh the screen now. Refresh the screen so you're up to date. The other thing as well, Dave Mottram will tell you, if you refresh the screen, I get a free ad. So skip the ad. You got 1 minute from now. You ready? Here it comes. Let's go, 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 go. 1 minute from now. Let's go. Oop, chiggy, 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 oop, oop, oop. 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 We're doing Day Trader of the day. See it on the clock there? That's why I'm making these funny noises. I got a rude comment from Mr. Relax. I can't read it out. It's about the toilet. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? Here we go. Oop, jiggy, 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 oop, 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 jiggy, 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 oop, oop, oop. Here we go. All right. Okay, there we go. So let's have a look. Let's see who won today. So I am now actually up 1.23. So I've got Tesla's got a big green candle. Yeah, I wanted to share that with everybody before we announce the winner. Yeah, look at this. Look, big green candle coming to Tesla. Yes, which has put my stock up. It's also put Tesla up. There we go, and it's also that'll put VU up as well because it's a part of VU. So I'm now just down $15 on Vanguard S&P. Right, let's find out who our winner was. Mullen is firing off. You were given the tip. If you'd have jumped into Mullen this morning, you would have noticed a big jump. Down 3%, breaking out now. It was down here at down 6%. It's gone 8% this morning. But you're a brave man if you do it. That's all I'm saying. I've lost money on it. But Peru Invest told us it's a good stock to be in. And he's been right nearly 95% of the time. So his advice tends to work out very, very nice. If you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. Let's ring out the winner. Who is the winner this morning? So Bill is down 0.9. Sorry, Bill. Right, Ali, our fireman, is up 1.41. Dan goes into the lead, 1.8. Just behind him is Robert Durant at 1.1. Dan is up 1.8. So there we go. Dan is our winner. Dan, I might put 100 YOLO on Mullen if it drops a bit. That's what we all say. As it pops up, we all go, if it goes down a bit, I'm going to buy it. But if it goes down, it tends to stay down. You've got to catch it before it goes up. It's the difficult part, right? You've got to believe in it and leave your money there and wait for it to do its thing. But let's have a look. Yeah, it's firing off now. Look, 3%. There it goes. Oh, that's a lucky 12% swing today. But see, if you go in now, you're chasing the stock, and you can't do that. It's very difficult. I know how difficult that is. So the winner is Dan today, 1.8%. 1.8%. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up, and let's have a big round of applause. There we go. Nice one. Absolutely great. Congratulations to you. We love it. Dan, you've done a great job. Absolutely great. Well done. There we go. That's Dan today. Winner of the day trader this morning. We're called firefighters now. Got to be inclusive for none. Oh, flipping it. Yeah. Can't, yeah. I grew up with firemen, Sam. You know. Proper firemen. We're called firefighters now. Firefighters sounds better anyway, doesn't it? It's more dramatic. It's very Americanized. You're a firefighter. What's wrong with a fireman? I like firemen. Fireman's good. Let's have a vote. Here we go. In the live chat right now. Yeah. I'm gonna do a poll. Here we go. Fireman or firefighter? Oh, flipping heck. I hate when that happens. My poll goes wrong. It always does it when I rush. Shouldn't rush anything. I've noticed that. It does blow. If it blows through 2, it could really go. But it hasn't been easy. Right. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Fireman or firefighter. There you go. Fireman or firefighter. I'm going to ask the audience. What do you prefer to say? Let's wind everybody up. So we got fireman, and we got firefighter. I grew up with fireman. You know what I mean? Firefighter. There you go. Ask the community. MI poll goes wrong. That's what she said. Me poll goes wrong. That's what she said. I'm not sure what Dan's implying there. If it does blow through 2, it could really go. 178. Don't have FOMO. Dave Mottram is up 2.24. Too late, Dave. Dave Mottram can't come in here at the end of the show. Dave coming here at the end of the show. Look, saying that they say firemen here in the northeast. There you go. Good on you. I'm sick and tired of this flipping inclusion stuff. You know, I'm gonna, say you're a man or a woman, aren't you? You can't be a third option. That's gonna get me in trouble, isn't it, for saying that? You're a man or a woman, right? Decide what you are, and that's it. Thoughts on BYND? I have no thought. What about the woman? Yeah, what would a fire lady be? What's a fire lady? That's why it's called firefighters. That's why they have firefighters. They don't have firemen and firewoman. That's why they have firefighters. That's why. That's why they do it. That's why they do it. I'm just an old bloke, and I grew up with a fireman. But then there's fire lady. But there wasn't fire ladies then. That's why they have firefighter. Fact, the official fireman hasn't been used. There you go. Here is a fireman telling us right now. Ali, right? I'll put his message on the screen. He says, the fact is, officially the term fireman hasn't been used since 1984. That's how old I am, right? 1984. Ha ha, oh boy, here goes. Oh boy, here go the subscribes. yeah. Firewoman. There are female firefighters now. There you go. Leah said there are female firefighters now. It was like the mailman. Now it's postal carrier. See? That's what it is. That's the only thing. That's why you have to have the neutral version, because jobs are now done by male and female, which is right. So a lady can't be a fireman. It's obvious, right? A fire person should call them fire eaters. That's it. I like that the best. Fire eaters. There you go. Let's just go with that. It was like the mailman. Now it's a postal carrier. There you go. See? Right. Now Mullen's going back down again. See? So you've got to be careful, because I was like, oh, I'm going to buy it this morning, and look what would have happened. So you've really got to be prepared to ride this. You know, it's a scary ride. If you believe in Mullen, if you think Mullen is great, and Mullen's going to go to... Because look, if you step back, Mullen has been... look at this. Mullen has been, $5 a share. In fact, I think it's been higher than that. Look, $12, right? Up here. Then you got to buy it and wait and leave it. All right? Not just keep buying it when you see it pump up a few percent and then panic and sell it. You got to look at it and think, okay, in the future, this is going to be $15. And that might be the case. Do it like that. Buy a dip and then wait. This trying to get in and out on something you don't understand, a stock you don't even know what it is, that's a stress. All right? Don't buy as fire starters. Mr. says fire starters. Thanks for the gift, by the way. Hey, Mr. Ralex, you should be on YouTube. You're one of our stars here on TikTok. Come and join us on YouTube. The link's in the profile. See right there? The link's in the profile. The link's in the profile. I got 13,000 likes today on TikTok. That's a record. No, 20,000 was the highest. Come and join us on YouTube. Link's in the profile. I'll head over. Would love to talk to you. We've got someone from TikTok coming over to YouTube, guys. It's Mr. Relax. When he comes on in, let's give him a big welcome. Mullen is great for 3 years. Right now, it's just gambling. My name is Peru, and I approve this message. Oh, I love it. You get that in America all the time. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I approve this message. It's like, of course you approve it. You just said it. Yeah, my long-term investment in Mullen is 2 days. There we go. Long-term investing, 2 days. I've studied the stock. I know what it's all about. I believe in it. And do you know what? I've invested in it long-term for 2 days. There we go. Yeah, that's funny. Fusion 301, I'm going to give you that. Fire eaters, poof, and he's gone. There we go. Should call them fire eaters. All right, let's go back. Now we got some energy. This is what I like. This is why I like British sarcastic humour. When the world is completely a disaster, when we're all getting COVID and dying, the end of the world's coming, people are blowing each other up, you get depressed, like I get depressed all the time, or you just go the other way and just laugh and joke like there's no tomorrow. And clearly that's my choice right now. Peru investors here. 2 days seem about right in this market. Should that not have been Peru bed this message? That doesn't even make sense, Dave Mottram. That doesn't even make sense. Why am I reading this stuff out? Should that not have been an I Peru bed this message? That doesn't even make sense. Does anyone understand what that means? Today's plays are BRDS. It's an EV scooter company. Today is the ER for BRDS. B equals V. See that? Peruved. Oh, I see. Well, flipping heck. You gotta write it correctly. How am I supposed to follow this if you don't write it correctly? I'm not listening to this. Right. Nvidia is up 2.6 today. Look at that. Vanguard is up. I'm still down $32. Tesla has made a recovery and it's trying to push up 770. I now have 10 shares of Tesla. Right. Virgin Galactic, SPC. We've not seen much action recently. Oh, well, we are up. Virgin Galactic is now $7. There we go. Up 3% today. I'm holding 1,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. Mull is now 180. There you go. My portfolio is up 1.17. I painted a sign in my house that says a good time to laugh is any time you can. Do you know what? That is it right there. Let's put that on the sign. Let's put that up. Alex, hello, not relax. Mr. Alex, not relax. I saw. I'm getting told off now. I'm getting told off by Mr. Alex over on TikTok. Well, Mr. Alex, if you were over on YouTube, I could see your name a lot clearer. It's your fault. You must take full responsibility for me calling you Mr. Relax. But from now on, I'll call you Mr. Alex. But anyway, thanks for the gifts. Mr. Alex 888 is giving me loads of love on TikTok, by the way. He's the only one, but I appreciate him very, very much. Fusion 301 says, I painted a sign in my house that says, a good time is to laugh any time you can. I agree. It's the only way to live, isn't it? You live and then you die. Mr. Relax sounds better. Ali on TikTok says, Mr. Relax sounds better. Look, he's put his message. See here. Look right now. In 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's a little bit of a delay. There, here it comes. There you are. Look. Ali says, Mr. Relax sounds better. I found the link, but I don't think that I'm in the correct place. You don't think you're in the correct place? You click the profile right here on TikTok, right? You find my icon. You go to my profile, and you see the Instagram icon. The Instagram icon's got YouTube and Instagram. Choose YouTube. And on my YouTube account, this is YouTube right now. This is it right here. And it will say live. And if that is all too difficult, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. The Daytrader 1. That is my full address. But the link's right there. If you click on it, it'll bring you straight there. All right? Look on the video, look on the channel, on the YouTube channel, and it says live, the live video. I found the link, but I don't think that I'm in the right place. All right? You're on the video, you're on the channel, just go to the live video. It's right at the top. Ali said, just search your name on YouTube. You can do it that way. The Daytrader 1. YouTube.com. It's that easy. I know it's flipping easy. I'm holding 823 BABA shares. There we go. The stocks now are up 1.88. Mull is firing off now, up 1.81. Here he is, Mr. Alex. Everybody welcome him in. Here he is. He's Mr. Relax. Let's give him a nickname. From now on, he's known as Mr. Relax. Subscribe and ring the bell, Mr. Alex. There we go. Everybody put in your cities and countries and welcome Mr. Alex in. Right, full disclosure, Mr. Alex. This is my TV studio. Just so you know who I am, right? I was voted by Sir Elton John as the world piano man, and this is my TV studio. I'll turn around, look. See, I'm a real person, I'm really live. And I'm from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. And my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. This is my TV studio. And this is where we go live every day. We have a special guest, the one and only Mr. Alex. Mr. Relax. Everybody call him Mr. Relax. Come on, I dare you. All right. So what we do, I do music shows most nights. I do my Ukraine event every day. And yesterday we were joined by people live in Ukraine in a bomb shelter, thanks to Elon Musk with Starlink, watching me sing REM, Everybody Hurts, while they were being bombed. It's incredible, all right? It's very, very emotional, powerful stuff, right? And I'm honored to be able to do it. Got me down yesterday, but I'm trying to be positive about it. And anyway, let's welcome him in. So that's what I do in the evenings and special events like today with the Ukraine event every day at the same time. But during the rest of the time, I'm here trading. So I'm in this TV studio sort of 12 hours a day. All right. Rocket Man 2, Mr. Alex, welcome. I am in New York. We got somebody new here. I'm in New York City. There we go. Everybody welcome him in. Put your cities and countries in. So subscriber in about. And what we do, we go live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Hi, Rocket Man. There we go. I should be the Rocket Man. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man from Blackpool. And let me show you something. Now you're here, Alex. I can show you something, right? I'm going to show you something now. And I'm going to show... Where is it? Hang on a minute. No, wrong. Blackpool. Blackpool. Look at this, Alex. You see this here? This is New Jersey, 301. There you go. Everyone's welcome you in. Right, look at this, Alex. Simon Jones. Hi, Martin. Have you been in the States a long time? I'm from Birmingham. Birmingham. My mum was from Aston in Birmingham. I was born in Evesham. Right, Alex, look. I told you I did the Blackpool Grand. This is when I was named World Piano Man. These are my dancers. Look, one night in Vegas. There's my lorry, look. See this, look. There's the Blackpool Grand. There it is. There I am, look, with some of my dancers, look. Outside the Blackpool Grand Theatre. There I am in the middle. There you go. So, I just thought I'd share that with you. So, as we're mentioning Rocket Man, if anyone gives me a super chat, so below the live chat, you will see a dollar sign. If you give me a tip, I will sing Rocket Man live from my piano during the show. If anybody wants to hear a real Rocket Man, right, there's the piano over there. It's live all the time, ready for me. I'll go over there. I'll do the voice of Sir Elton John, Rocket Man. But you've got to give me a super chat if you want to hear it. I don't do it for free. 99 cents is the minimum bid you can go for. All right, let's look at Muln, 185, firing off now. And so, Alex, I want to give something to you right now. I want to give something to you, or everybody who joins us. I have loads of sponsors that give me stuff to give away. I have stuff to give away. All right. Free stocks, free shares, free crypto. You can also join the Discord group, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok. It's all under one button. It's called the All Links button. I'll post it 3 times in the chat so you can see it. There it is. And if you love the channel and you want all the perks and benefits, and ask any of our members why you become a member. They're the people with badges after their names. They will all tell you they get back 10 times what they invest to become a member. You can become a member bronze, silver, gold, or sponsorship level. Bronze is just a couple of bucks a month. And this whole community is about supporting each other. All right? I don't do this to make money. We're a very small channel. I earn about 10 bucks a day on YouTube right now. But the purpose of this is a community because the war is bringing everybody down. I've only been here 9 months. We're quite new. We're coming up to our first birthday in June. And we are here just to help and support people. But what we do is everything is real. What you're seeing on the screen here is my real money, my real portfolio. This is all the money in the world I have. I have about $5,000 in the bank, which is to pay the internet, the telephone bill, the electric, because my mortgage is paid off. All right. And this is my life savings. And it was 58. I got it from $5,000. All I put in was $5,500 to 58 around here somewhere. And since the war and COVID and everything else, it's been dropping off like a stone. But I'm still up. But that's where I am right now. So everything here is real and genuine and honest. And you're joined by some of the biggest traders. We've got Peru Invest here. We've got Muzanella. We've got some really big traders here who buy tens of contracts at a time, and very small traders as well with a few dollars. So we're all here. All right, let's have a look. Let's read some of these comments out. Let's have a look. Mr. Alex, glad you got it. Here he is. Sagam. Sagam is new as well. He's been in the channel now for about a month now. I don't know if my decision was wrong or right, but I need advice. I sold all my space, thinking it was war. Nobody needs to spend money. I agree with you on that. I agree with you. I totally get that. I get that, but you got to believe that the war won't last forever. I totally understand that. No one needs to go on a spaceship. I get that, but it's one for the future. That's why I'm holding it. But I'm down anyway, so I can't really sell it down here anyway. I know what you're saying. I need advice. We can't give you advice. I can only give you my opinion. This is my position. It's 10% of my portfolio, as you can see, 10%. I own $7,000 worth of it. I believe it's the future. The war won't last forever. And if we go to a third world war, well, we're all dead anyway, and no one cares. So I would... your situation is your own. Are you down on it? Have you lost money on it? Can you buy the dips? Trade it as it pops up and down every day? Everyone's situation is different. I'm holding it because I have to be positive and optimistic for the future. And I believe Richard Branson, if anyone can get it done, it's him. Right, let's bring in the messages. Let's have a look. I don't know if my decision is wrong or right. We just read that one there. Sagam, I don't know. Oh, you did it a few times. I've read it out again now. How much do you lose? How much did you lose, Sagam? You need to add private messaging between members. You need to add private messaging between members. Well, that is why we have the Discord group, Bill. And also, members, I can see members comment below videos, and that's why I comment to all members. Here's the invitation to join. Let's see if we can invite Alex to become a member today. We've got 38 members now to our channel. Nearly everyone who watches every day is a member. It's amazing. Mullen testing 189 4 times. It could go there. Well, it went. Let's have a look. Mullen back again. Yep, 192, 193. It's certainly going now. Up 9% today. Almost 30% of what I invested. Okay. I understand that. I've been there as well. And the stock may hit zero. I lost some money, but it's fine. The stock will not go bankrupt. I don't think that, but Richard Branson has plenty of money behind him. I don't see it going bankrupt at all. My plan was to keep for a long time. I got Mullen this morning. I have 35,000 in MetaMask. I don't know what I was doing at the time. I wanted to buy Hex and didn't understand the fees situation. Dave Mottram, I am currently down 43% on space, but don't want to lose that. Weekend in Vegas, ha ha. You mean it will go to zero? No, I don't think it'll go to zero at all. Your average is nice. Simon Jones said correct, so I'm holding. You answered it already. Thanks a lot. Okay. Mr. Alex, I am using Quant Fury and Coinbase. Okay, thanks. I have a Coinbase account. Yes, I have a Coinbase account as well. Sagam Samuel, it could, but lots of volume came in there. I'm mostly a momentum trader, so just in and out. I have eTORO too. Yes. Here is the invitation to join and be a member for our channel. And here are all the free links as well. If anybody wants to request a song today during the show, you can go into the super chat and I'll do you a song if you want. Okay, let's go back now. Mullen is 193. Let's have a look. The overall portfolio is up 3.5%. That's much better. Look, we're having a great green day now. Let's clear the screen. Fantastic. 34,000, we're up 3.5%. Where's it coming from? Root is up. SoFi is up. Nvidia is up 4.59. Alex, what you're seeing now is all my actual shares. This is my real money. Space will go up. Why? Because I just dropped $10,000. Oh, Virgin Galactic 713. There we go. I'm down to 6%. I'm not selling this at all. I think space will go up, and it won't be. You got to remember, Sagan. All there is right now. There is just momentum trading. People scalping in and out. We all do it. I've done it. I've made profit on it. The good news will come in September. You'll start to see the news come in June, July, as long as we don't end up Third World War. I would subscribe 100%. I'm literally broke. The last quid I had, bought those coins on TikTok. Hey, Mr. Alex, I understand it. Just so you know what we do this for, right? I earn about $10 a day on YouTube. I get it, right? I toured the world as the world piano man, 37 years. I've done 195 countries. COVID completely killed my career, finished everything. It's all over. So I built the studio and started doing this to bring a community because I missed an audience. I missed people. And every day I have this. And I have set up the membership not to make me rich. It's to make you successful and make you money and give you more. And what I mean by that is, every one of my members will tell you it's 10 times the value what you get out, right? We have cash prize giveaways on Friday. We have, I will sing happy birthday for you on your birthday. I'll do a 20-minute fundraiser concert for free. We've raised over $1 million on the main Martyn Lucas channel, my music channel, which you'll find on the Day Trader channel. If you go to the Day Trader channel right now, where you are right now, look at the top of the channel, Day Trader, scroll down, Martyn Lucas. This is my music channel. We've raised over $1 million for charities, for my members. All right? You get a lot more out of being a member than it costs you to be a member. We do sponsorship levels and all sorts. I understand, and it's fine. You can watch the show for free every day. No problem at all. So don't worry about that. Your TikTok and here seem great. Thank you ever so much, mate. Well, we love what we do. It's an honest channel. We're not lying or manipulating or telling you stuff just to try to promote people and promote, rubbish coins and all that stuff. Anyway, let's have a look. I sold Tesla, 2,000 profit. 300 more to go to hit my goal for today. Moozanella just made $2,000. Fantastic. Congratulations, Moo. I love it. My stock is now up to date. 786. I'm up 2.5%. I'm down just 2% now on Tesla. I own 10 shares of it. Mr. Alex, no worry. I am broke too. Don't listen to Peru Invest. He's our biggest trader. He does extremely well. Okay, extremely. In fact, I'm going to tell you something magical. Peru Invest watches our show every day. He's a big investor. We regard him as an angel investor. Now you see this screen here that you were watching on TikTok. Can you see this TV screen? This one here. Peru Invest just paid for that. He gave me a tip last week. He gave me some, literally, he went into the super chat. And he said, what's your biggest ever tip? I went $50. He went 50-50, 50-50, and 100. $300. And I bought this screen so people would get a better experience for my TikTok audience, which is what you were looking at earlier. And also for my Ukraine event as well. Those people, they get a better shot. They get a better, a better experience as well because they can see the screen behind me. So that was paid for by Peru Invest. Mr. Alex is great here on YouTube with Martyn. Thank you ever so much, Beatles. Musa, thanks, Dave. I'll send the screenshots to Martyn. Okay, here we go. The Beatles, Sean, I agree. Nice moves, fun times, Peru Invest. We've got a super chat come in. Brothers in Arms, Dire Straits. Okay, you want to hear Brothers in Arms? Okay, I got a tip here from Ali. We will do Brothers in Arms, Dire Straits for the soldiers in Ukraine. Okay, I can hear you. The day trader show looks brill. Thank you. You need more screen. When Mullen hit 250, you might get another screen. Yeah, I need more screens. I need more screens. Yeah, we need one up here. Right, Tesla is up 3%, 791. Look at Tesla firing off today. All right, okay, we've got Ali, our firefighter in England, has said that he would like to hear Dire Straits' Brothers in Arms. So we got $2 now in the super chat. Right? Now, each video, I told you, I earn $10 a day on YouTube. Each video earns me about $5. That's what I get right now. So if I sing a song, I will not get any money from this video because of copyright. Okay? So if anybody wants to sing a song, they have to give me a tip. That way I make my money on tips instead of YouTube ads. All right? I've got £2 so far, which is about $2.50. So I need $2.50 more, then I can sing Brothers in Arms, and I will do the voice of Mark Knopfler. I can do it, and I will do you have Cash App? Yes, I do. I do have Cash App. Why do you ask? I do. My Cash App is, what is my Cash App number? It's at Martyn Lucas. Yeah, I do. Cash App is at Martyn Lucas. There it is in the chat for you now. And if you want to do we're in Blackpool for a season. The Blackpool Grand. The Blackpool Grand. No, it was Easter Sunday. It was just a one-off show. I did it for 3 years in a row. All right. And if you go to my main music channel on the Day Trader channel, go to Martyn Lucas here. You can go to here and you can subscribe. I'll give you the link right now, and you can see all the One Night in Vegas videos. All right, with the British Philharmonic Orchestra, Joe Longthorne, all that stuff. So when Sir Elton John named me World Piano Man, it's because I do 14 different voices in 7 different languages and 650 songs. So I can sound like Paul McCartney, Elton John, Pavarotti, Joe Longthorne, all those things. But I can also do Mark Knopfler. And if I get $2.50 more, because I have to cover the cost of what I will lose on YouTube, I will do Brothers in Arms. And the request is from Ali, our firefighter from the UK. Right, Mullen is just dropping back now. The portfolio, I can't believe it. Look at this, guys. I'm up 4.5%, $1,500. Root is up 146. SoFi is up 3.5% today. Look at this. Do you have any videos of you in Blackpool? Yes, I do. Loads of them. Loads of them. All on the music channel. Smashing it. Good afternoon, you lovely people. Rob McLean, look at this. 5%, 1.23. I'm now in the money on Vanguard. Tesla, look at the bounce from earlier. Tesla, I bought 10 shares. Not as much as Muzanella, but I did. $40 bounce, LOL. Incredible. There we go. Oh, hang on. I've had a Cash App. I think I've just had some notice on Cash App. What's happened here? Hang on, what's happened on Cash App? I can't quite see. We'll make us some updates. Yeah, okay. Oh, was that it? Oh, no. I thought I had something on Cash App. I didn't. It was some stupid comment about something. I don't know what it was. All right, okay. I got all excited then. Good afternoon, Rob McLean. Rob McLean's from Scotland. We've got a new guest here today. He's not a member, but he's going to be a regular guest now, hopefully, from Blackpool. Mr. Alex. I called him Mr. Relax. Wow, look at this, folks. We're waiting for one more super chat of $2.50 minimum, and then I can do Brothers in Arms, the voice of Mark Knopfler for our friends in Ukraine. That's from Ali, the firefighter. Right, here we go. Mullen is lifting up again, 187. The overall portfolio is up 4.6, 34,000. Remember, we were at 58,000 a couple of months ago. Well, nearly 4 months ago now, actually. SoFi is up 4%. Look at this. For NVIDIA, I am able to do anything with the 35. I am able to do anything with the $35 that I have in MetaMask, or is it stuck? Meta, am I able to do anything with the 35 that I have in MetaMask, or is it stuck? Mr. Alex, it's a very complicated subject that. When you talk about crypto wallets, there's all sorts of issues to discuss, whether it's conversion, fees involved with transferring from one wallet to another. I use Coinbase, and I can gift money from Coinbase to another Coinbase user for free. So it depends on the wallet, it depends what crypto you've got. It's a very complex subject. I will tell you that, Alex. I'm sorry I can't give you a more clearer answer on that. Vanguard is up 1.22 today. We're up $16 now. All right, Tesla is up now. I'm still down 2%. But I bought the dips. An average of 805 now. Rivian is now lifting up today. There we go. SPCE. Oh, look at it firing off today, up 5.5%. I hope, well, we know Sagem Samuel sold it all. I hope you didn't sell it for a loss. Of course, you hate to see these sort of bounces when you do that. You can contact MetaMask for help. You can. I will try and do some research for you, Mr. Alex. You can. I know you can move your money out of MetaMask. You can... Told you I placed my 10,000. That was, yeah, that won't make a difference. People say that sometimes. They say, if I buy shares in a stock, will the stock go up? Yes, it will. If you buy millions and millions of shares, it will. But not if you buy $10,000. That's a lot of money. I get it. But that's not enough to drive the stock. Millions of people do that. The stock will go up. Yes. The only reason why a stock goes up and the stock goes down is because people buy it. Simple as that. All right. It's as simple as that. We got 24 watching now. Subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. If everyone's thumbs up the video, I tell you what we'll do. Because no one's got any money today to tip me to $2.50 extra to do the song. So what I'm going to do is, if we can get 5 more likes, 30 likes, I will do the song for free. What are your thoughts on HEX? The only crypto I held was Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've sold it all right now. I've sold it all because it's not performing as well as it should do. It's for today is the first day it's actually moved up nearly 1% today. But the reason to own Bitcoin and Ethereum is to hedge against inflation, to protect against corruption, for situations with insecurity and vulnerability, like in a war like now. And all those reasons are in place, and yet Bitcoin has not surged. The rest of it is gambling. I wouldn't bother with the rest of it. But I've made some money on it, but I've sold my position and I'm out. I feel that right now my money is working better, as you can see today, with things that actually fix a problem. Things that actually make the world a better place. Technology that breaks down barriers, fixes things, and so on. That's why I've invested more today in the S&P 500, which is, over the last 90 years, has done an average of 10% a year. Over the last 10 years, it's done 20% a year. So I've used my margin as well. Oh, there we go for the song. Murray McKines gave me the song. There we go. Right, we're going to do Brothers in Arms. I have a super chat from our friend from Scotland. We're going to do the voice of Mark Knopfler, and this is for our Ukraine friends. And what you can do now is, if you like this moment in the show, underneath the video, there's a little button. Can you see it? It says clip. It's a little pair of scissors. And you can clip up to a 1-minute clip, and you can share it on social media. So if you like what I'm about to do right now, you can clip it from the beginning to the end, from 10 seconds to a minute, and you can share it on your social media. And if you do that, tag me in it and share it, and we'll have a bit of a moment with it. All right? Be cool. All right? And please mention all our mention all our Ukraine friends. All right. How do I clip? Right under the video, there's a little pair of scissors. It says clip. And you can clip it and save it and share it on your social media. So you can say, you know, I'm watching The Day Trader, Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man, for our friends in Ukraine, did this song or whatever. And you can share it. And then more people will be here tomorrow. That's what it's all about. All right? Okay. So we'll do it now then. So what we'll do, we'll go to our main, we'll look at our main portfolio, which is now up nearly 5% today. One of our best days. Let's hope we hold this now, because we keep getting bounces and keep losing it. All right. So we're going to go over now to the main part of the studio. And we're going to do Brothers in Arms. And this is for Murray from Scotland and Ali, our firefighter. All right. So you can clip it when I do it. So let me go. Let me get ready right now. All right. We're just getting the studio ready, so we'll leave it on that screen for a minute. We're pumping out the haze, the smoke machine, all that good stuff. I'm going to pick up the camera on TikTok and move it to the other camera position. Here we go. All right. I'm going to take you over to the other part of the studio. And I'm going to plug you in here. All right. Okay, so we're over here now. Let me just fix the resolution. Okay, so now we're over here. Let me change to the different camera angle. There we go. Bring up the spot on the piano. The haze is on its way. And we're doing Brothers in Arms for Ali. And we're also doing it for Murray McKines as well. Okay. So there we go. Brothers in Arms it's going to be. This is a wonderful song. I love this song. Brothers in Arms for all our friends in Ukraine. Brothers in Arms. Here we go. Okay. We're all set. Okay, we're just about getting ready to do it. So all the cameras are working. We're all set. And this is Brothers in Arms. Over there on TikTok, we're about to do this. Are you ready, guys? We're just getting ready. Okay, we're just moments away now. Is everybody ready to clip the video? Let me turn the light out. Okay. Let me turn that camera around as well. Okay, here we go. Here is Brothers in Arms, especially for Ali and Murray McKines. The studio is set. Here comes the haze, here comes the smoke, and we're set now for a beautiful song. And I hope you like this one. This is Brothers in Arms for our day traders. You don't need to say it's for me. Anonymous, please. Okay, fair enough. Here we go. These mist-covered mountains are home now for me. My home is the lowlands, and always will be. Someday you'll return to your valleys and your farms. You'll no longer burn to be brothers in arms. These fields of destruction, baptisms of fire, I've watched all your suffering as a battle raged high. I did not hurt so bad in the fear and alarm. You did not desert me, my brothers in arms. There's so many different worlds and so many different suns, and we have just one world, and we live in different ones. The sun's gone to hell, and the moon riding high. Let me bid you farewell, my friend. Every man has to die. It is written in the starlight. Every night has his palm. The fools to make war on our brothers in arms. Yeah. There we go. Brothers in Arms. That was a special request today. Let's go back over to our trading screen again and carry on. Just sent you screenshots of the 2,000 profit and donation to support the people of Ukraine. Wow, let me go and check what that is from Muzanella. Can't believe it. Let me go back over to the trading screens and let's get back into the trade. See where we are. Look, the just dropped slightly. Let me go back over there now and reset this. Be right back with you in a second. Here we go. Just having to move the screens around and I'll be right back with you in a couple of seconds. And here we go. So I'm going to take everybody on TikTok back over to the other side of the studio. All right. right, I just got to move you a second. Reset the camera. All right, we're back over here again now. Let me just put you back in there. Got to put you back in here again. Ugh. All right. Let me just correct the lighting. Okay. Just trying to correct the right. There we go. The lighting is now correct. Over on TikTok. Woohoo, thanks. You're very welcome. Tesla to 800. Let's make the push. Deepen the money. That'd be great, wouldn't it? Over on TikTok. Did everyone enjoy that? I hope they did. Big up the Queen. Ah, the Queen. Yes, indeed. God save the Queen. Let's hope she's well. I know she's having a hard time right now. But of course, she's had a wonderful life. Let me just correct slightly. There you go. That's better. Okay. So where are we? We got back over here on the portfolio. Let's check we're all good. Yep. We're all good. Got a screenshot from Muzanella. Did everybody clip the video? Did anyone clip the video? Let's check Tesla. Tesla 792. Very, very close. I'm still down 1.74 on it though. But got 10 shares of it now. Great, thanks. You enjoyed it. I wonder if anyone clipped the video. Right, I got a screenshot here. There we go. Look at this, folks. Look at this. Unbelievable. We've got another $100 to spend on YouTube ads to send these videos to Ukraine. Remember the reason why I've done that? I explained that why. Look, here's Muzanella. Everybody, look. Muzanella just donated $100. Can you believe that? Look at that now. William Caron and Muzanella have donated $100, and I will spend that. I've explained to you how I do it. And it will go directly on the videos that we're doing here, go directly to those people in Ukraine. And they get the benefit of it. And you've seen what happens during a bomb raid yesterday. They were listening to us. And the only way I can reach them is through those donations, because my audience is not in the Ukraine. YouTube do not show people in Ukraine my videos, obviously, right? So the only way we do it is through YouTube ads. And that's what I've been doing. So thank you now, William Caron and Muzanella. And this was William Caron's YouTube ad campaign yesterday. This is for Over the Rainbow. Look, see? If you see here, look. I'll scroll down, $100 right there, look. That's directly from William Caron. And we've spent $10 so far. It'll go all the way up to $100. And you can see the audience is here in Ukraine. Look, the city of Kiev, 341. The majority is 700 people in Lviv. And I will do the same thing now for, look, these are all the people all over Ukraine. They're being bombed while listening to these songs and these messages from us. Okay? And that's what I will do now with the $100 from Muzanella as well. You can share my screenshots. I will share your screenshots with you now. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. This is Muzanella. And you can see now what he's been doing. He wants to share with everybody. Okay, this is Muzanella's screenshots of how he's made. This is how much money he's made today. bought 2 contracts, averaged cost 11,400, sold 2 contracts at 13,400. Please don't copy my trades. No, it's not financial advice, but this is what he's done so you can see how it works. He bought Tesla. See, look, individual, 6,550 there. Tesla, sell to close, 2nd of April, 14th, $775 call at $67 limit. Executed. There we go. There's the first one. And the second one there. Average price, 57,279.3. These are the contract prices. Market cap, ask, there you go. Bids, there you go. All right? So that's how he's made, bought 2 contracts, averaged cost 11,400, sold 2 contracts at 13,400. There you go. That's how he did it. All right? So now you've seen how it was done. Please don't copy his contracts, his trades. Sorry, it's there on the screen for you now. This is not financial advice, but what you are seeing here is what real people are really doing, not what people are making up. But everybody, please put a huge thank you to Muzanella today for donating $100 to our Ukraine campaign, and that money will go directly to YouTube ads. So thank you ever so much to him. We got the follows over there on TikTok. 17,000 follows now. Sorry, 17,000 likes. Thank you for all the follows, everybody, for supporting me on TikTok today. I hope you all enjoyed that music. Love the performance. Thank you ever so much. That was the voice of Mark Knopfler. I do Elton John, Pavarotti, Paul McCartney, Eric Clapton, many, many more. Andre Bocelli. Today you heard the voice of Mark Knopfler. I hope you think it sounded a bit like him. That was the idea. You're at work. Great work, Muse. And Mr. Alex said he loved it. And if you now, what you can do now, Alex, if you want to clip that video, or anyone, you can just scroll back on the video where you are right now, and you can clip it. You can go to the video where you are right now, where you're watching me right now, and you can clip it. All right, so I'll go to a video. In fact, I can't do it because I'm the subscriber to this video. Okay, it doesn't work that way. You have to be, yeah, it has to be you. It can't be me. I own the channel. But you will see a clip underneath the video, and you can share that then to your social media if you want to. If you fancy that idea. All right, it's time for me to get off now because I'm getting ready for my Ukraine event. I do it every day, and that's why we use the ad money from you to promote the videos to Ukraine. And then when I go live, some people watch it during and afterwards of those actual live shows. Grandad Silvio loved the performance too. Says hi from the couch. Grandad Silvio, let me do a close up. Because Grandad Silvio might be a bit older, might need a better, bigger screenshot. Grandad Silvio, this is for you from deep in the money, and I'm glad you enjoyed the song. That was Mark Knopfler's Dire Straits, Brothers in Arms. It's to all our friends over there in Ukraine. There you go. Hi, Grandad Silvio. Yeah, let's get the messages on the screen so we can see it. There you go. It's early enough. I'll set another goal for another $1,500. Wow. The markets makers want to flush out the little guys, us, and I expect we see Tesla to 800 in about an hour. Not stable, so please be careful. There we go. There we go. Tesla could easily do 800. I'm down 1.59 right now. Get rid of the little guys. You speak for yourself. I know what you're saying. Look at your live likes on here. It should be 27,000. Really? Okay. Is it? 27,000. Wow, I'm getting a record number of likes. I'm not seeing that yet. Wow, look at all the follows. Big up the Queen. Yeah, God save the Queen. Absolutely right. Okay, so I'm going to give everybody the link now. If you're over on TikTok and you want to see my YouTube link to our friends in the Ukraine, I'm going to share it now on YouTube. Here it is. All right, so here it is. You go to the Day Trader channel. You go to the Martyn Lucas channel on the Day Trader. And the next live show is here. It comes up in 50 minutes from now. You'll see it says, look, 52 minutes. We've already got 3 likes on it. Mr. Alex is already in, look at that. Mr. Alex is already in. I can't believe it. Look at this, folks. Mr. Alex has already left a comment. He's making us all look bad. Our brand new member, our brand new guest to the channel has already left a comment. Look at that. So here we go. Let me give it to you now. There is the link. I'll post it 3 times in the chat so you can see it. That's where I'll be live in 50 minutes from now. And hopefully you can join me. These are the videos that we're trying to push out. And remember, like I said, I make nothing from the videos. It's all copyrighted music. I do it just because people in Ukraine, while they're being bombed, seem to appreciate it. And they like that. They know that we're with them. And we're sending them these songs. Okay? All right. Okay, let's look at the stocks right now. Mung is 186. The portfolio today is up nearly 4%. It was as high as 5.5% up today. But we dropped back a bit. But 34,000 is much, much better than we were earlier. I did buy the dips. Root is also up today, 144. SoFi is also up. Nvidia is up as well. I'm just down 6% on Nvidia now. I've got 8 shares of it. VU is up 1.27. I'm up $20 now on the S&P 500. Tesla 791. I'm still down $136, but I've got 10 shares now at a much lower rate. Rivian is also picked up today. SPCE up 4.5% today. I thought that was this chat when I was looking for this one. How did you find that? I thought that was this chat when I was looking for this one. Overall, how did you do that? I know why. You didn't use the link, did you, on TikTok? What you did, you went into YouTube and you wrote the word Martyn Lucas. You didn't put the day trader from your website link. Oh, so you looked at the all links button. Oh, I see. I know what you did. You went to the all links button. This is what you did. Oh, I see. I know what you did. He did this. Look, if you go to the Martyn Lucas website, on TikTok, you've got the all links button, which is this one. Right? There. And what he did, he clicked on that one, not that one. Because this is the Martyn Lucas music channel, Martyn Lucas Live. And this is the Day Trader Live. Now you're feeling like, oh, that's obvious, right? How clear could I make it? Martyn Lucas Live in Ukraine, World Piano Man. And then the Day Trader Live. Very different videos. Now I get it. Now I understand. I want to thank everyone on TikTok today. I didn't scroll down enough. No, you didn't. You didn't. You just thought, well, he's got one live channel. He can't have 2, can he? Who would have 2 channels that are live? I didn't know there was more than one live. 2 different channels, Mr. Alex. 2 different channels. The Day Trader, where we do stocks and shares, and Martyn Lucas, where we do songs. Very different channels. See? You're used to the average person who has 1 YouTube channel, not 2. That's where you're going wrong. See? Right. Anyway, Mr. Alex. I'm going to have to get going now because that show starts in 45 minutes. If you want to join me, here is the link. I'll give it in the chat one more time. Come and join me. Mr. Alex, we're back today for the closing bell. All you got to do is go to the Day Trader channel and you will see the upcoming live streams. That's how you do all these things, right? Go back to the Martyn Lucas channel. Go to the Day Trader channel. There, let's see, Day Trader. And upcoming live streams. It's like a TV guide. All my shows are already set. They give you the time in your time zone, tell you when I'm on, and I'm live every day. Opening bell, closing bell, after hours sometimes when we do earnings reports. That'll be about 10 in the evening for you in the UK. But we also do the live music and we do the Ukraine events. It's all there for you. Right, that's it. I've got to go and get set for that show. Hopefully some of you will join me. Thank you to Muzanella today, who donated $100 today, which will be spent on YouTube ads. And also William Caron, who donated $100. I can't believe it. Very, very kind of you all. We've had record-breaking numbers on TikTok again today. My TikTok audience is growing every day. I set up a click bot. Ha, ha, ha. I wish you... How do you do that? A click bot. I don't know how you set up a click bot. No idea how you set up a click bot. But anyway, Nathan144 or Nathan44, thank you for whatever it is you're trying to do. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. The stocks are up. We've done very well. We've got 27 likes. Subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. I'll see you back in 45 minutes on the music channel, Martyn Lucas. And come and join me for some live music to our friends in Ukraine. And I'll be back for the closing bell later on this afternoon here on the Day Trader. That's it. Thank you very much indeed. Oh, we just said Bitcoin is up. Bitcoin is up 1%. Now, it's still waste of time. I'm not in it anymore. I see more growth in stocks and shares. All right, that's it. Take care of yourselves and each other.